Hello everyone, my name is Saif Firdaus Sheikh. Today I'm here to share my first-hand experience of industrial training with Microsoft Corporation India Private Limited, and also to talk about the scope of industrial training. The very first reason I want to talk about industrial training is when I wanted to go for industrial training, I could not get proper guidance, and this is something I don't want to happen with some other students who really want to go for industrial training. So, to start with, the first stage when I wanted to go for industrial training, every other person I met and talked about industrial training gave me negative response. Like, why do you want to go for industrial training and come out of your comfort zone of articleship? Your principal won't allow you to go for industrial training. You have your exams in 6 months. How will you manage? They won't give you leaves for your exams. And I was always determined to go for industry. And the three of our articleship has this very beautiful concept to go for industrial training. And I wish every other student could have done this. The second stage which comes was how to apply for industrial training. How would I know about industrial training openings? Very simple answer. There are a lot of job portals for CA students, a lot of job openings you'll find for industrial training. Go and apply for each and every of the jobs available for industrial trainings. And most important things, wherever you live, you have ICAI there. And go and check the notice board. I did it on regular basis. I used to go to ICAI on every Mondays to see if there is any opening for industrial training, and there I could find a lot of openings coming in, and then applied for the same. And a lot of has changed since then. Now ICI has started taking the initiative to arrange for ICI campus for industrial training, where ICI is calling in companies to offer industrial training to students, and this will really benefit all of you. And believe me, I applied for almost every job I could see on the portal. I got call from 9 companies. I applied for 9 of them. I've been shortlisted by 8 of the companies, and I got selected by all of them, and then I joined Microsoft. And when I started my industrial training, my first hand experience of corporate life, Microsoft is something I'll cherish, the experience of Microsoft throughout my life. Microsoft has given me each and everything I wanted to learn during my articleship experience. And this is what my preference was for industrial training. Like, I don't want to go for any audit or taxation field, because almost every other chartered is doing audit or taxations, and there are a lot of other things which a CA can do, which we hardly know about. So if I talk about my profile at Microsoft, I was into a financial planning and analysis department, where I was supporting the business controller, and also I was working as a finance analyst. And this is one of the most beautiful job which requires a lot of analytical thinking, and we all CAs have a lot of analytical mind, we all know that. And apart from doing this job in FP&A department, there are a lot of other departments which hire CAs, but we hardly know about it. Yes, I could not clear my CA finals in first attempt. That is something else. I got 10 days leave for my second attempt. I cleared my CA final in second attempt. But I could not find any difference between me or a CA student who cleared CA final in first attempt. I know a lot of chartered accountants who cleared their CA final in first attempt, and I have got a better job than them. I've got a better package than them. So believe me friends, it hardly matters. It hardly matters if you cleared your CA final in first attempt or you clear in second attempt. All that matter is your caliber, your experience. I got edge from all other students because I already had a corporate experience. I know everybody has different aspirations in their life. Not everybody wanted to do what I did. But here I'm would specifically pointing to those students who want to go for corporate job in their life after being a chartered. Believe me, this is the best thing and you could ever do in your articleship experience. Go for industrial training, get corporate exposures, and a lot of company which offer industrial training absorbs their CA irrespective of in which attempt they clear their CA final exams. What is required from you is to give your best in your industrial training. It hardly matters you get 6 month leave, 1 month leave, or 15 days leaves. If you can do it in 6 months, you can do it in 15 days as well. So I know doing an industrial training is one of the boldest steps I ever took in my life. You could ever take in your life, but believe me, you will never regret doing industrial training in your life. Also, I won't be talking much about my exposure in industrial training. I want you all to come up with your questions about your queries on industrial training so that I can help you all, guide you all through the better ways in which you can go for industrial training. And believe me, there are lot of openings for industrial training. They just wanted to teach student the corporate life and then they want to absorb them so they don't need to waste a lot of money and training on them once they are on their payrolls. So if you have any questions, please comment. I would like to talk more about industrial training and guide you all throughout industrial training experience and exposures. So this was me. I hope to talk to you very soon. Thank you.